Another dramatic change in the life of a prominent attorney who's the subject of a death investigation after he shot his wife. Good evening. I'm Sine Simpson.
Hello, welcome everybody. I'm Tom Haynes. Tex McIver, who caused the shooting of Diane McIver an accident, spent last night in jail. This morning, dressed in a blue jail uniform, he asked a judge to let him out on bond. Fox 5's Morris Diggs has been following the story all day long. He has more from the courtroom.
It must have been some kind of last 24 hours for Tex McIver, the prominent Atlanta attorney and civic leader who spent last night in the Fulton County Jail. He gets a release on bond. The only question was there was a fight over the amount. He barely moved. The prominent Atlanta lawyer, his hands clasped, listened to his attorney make the argument in jail court for a jail bond.
He has numerous ties to the community. He's well known. He serves on a number of boards and commissions. I think I anticipate the state is going to argue that he is a flight risk. I would offer to the court that there's absolutely no basis for that whatsoever.
Attorney Cal Leipold suggested a bond 1/10 the amount demanded by the prosecution. And the story that has enveloped Tex McIver and his deceased wife Diane is a mix of money, speculation, and a death investigation with twists and turns. While traveling in a family SUV, McIver, who was in the back seat, shot his wife as a bullet pierced the seat. Off camera in the court, the prosecution mentioned the circumstance as part of his argument for a stiff bond.
We know that there is an admission that he actually held the gun and pulled the trigger.
Involuntary manslaughter, a felony, and being reckless, a misdemeanor, are the two counts that will go to a grand jury. On bond, the court ruled closer to what the defense sought, $200,000. McIver, who is 74, must surrender his passport and wear an ankle bracelet. Afterward, the defense attorney was asked about McIver's reaction to the arrest.
Assume that you truly love somebody and that you'd spent your whole life with them, and they were the most important person in your life, and then their death occurred under these types of circumstances. How would you feel? How would you, when you get up out of bed every day, how do you feel? Well, that's how he feels. It's been horrible.
In an earlier interview, McIver professed his love for Diane, a marketing company president.
It's the perfect wife. You know, never had a crossword, never had a fight, thought alike, moved alike, anticipated alike. And we were together, other than going to work or running errands, we were together always.
One of the interesting quirks in this story, you may have heard that some of Mrs. McIver's belongings were at an auction house, a sale. Well, the prosecution asked the judge to stipulate that he stopped that sale. The judge chose to stay out of that. Reporting for Fulton County, I'm Morris Diggs, Fox 5 News.